it is a beautiful, beautiful day outside. And we are going to Charlotte so that we can catch a flight to Philly, which is somewhere we've never been.
Never been there.
So yeah, we got to get down the mountain first.
It was a very bumpy flight, but we did make it to Philadelphia. So now we got to just figure out how to get to our hotel. It's probably not ready, but we're here. I'm not sure who Rex is, but we are taking a picture with him. What's up, bro? Welcome to Philly. Alright, so it is only 11 a.m. and we got lucky and our room is ready. So we're gonna go check in. I love it when that happens.
Yeah, that's definitely double bed.
Alright, for this trip we just got the little double bed Marriott, but we are on the 19th floor. It's a pretty decent room. There's really not much to it.
We just need a bed.
Let's check the bathroom out.
In case you gotta flood it later.
Yeah, in case we have to flood it later.
We have to turn that heat like down to like 65.
There's a mini thing right there.
Alright, we're not kicking it too fancy on this trip, but we do got that good view. It's probably gonna look good at night. Alright, so now we've gotten all of our stuff put up, so we're gonna go get some food because I'm starving. We're gonna go to Reading Terminal.
Reading Terminal.
What are we gonna get?
Cheesesteak.
What are you gonna get,
A
Tammy?
cheesesteak.
What are you gonna get?
A cheesesteak.
I'm gonna get some pizza. Alright, what we have here is some scrapple fries. They said it's kind of like liver mush, but crispier.
Jeff doesn't eat liver mush, so. Oh, I like liver mush.
It's pretty good.
Is that? We give it a shot.
How do you
What's
feel
it
about
taste
yours,
like?
Tammy?
What's it taste like?
Um,
Liver mush. It's liver mush.
I guess it tastes like liver mush.
And
Yeah,
Jeff said it, then it has to be
apple
true.
stuff is interesting with it.
She might still be blaming you.
Alright, where are we at?
Reading Terminal Market.
And what is it?
It's a market. It has been here since 1893.
America's oldest market.
Or one of.
One of. We're going to call it the oldest right now, though. Can't come to Philly without some cheesesteaks.
Alright, Brad's about to go in.
Alright, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to use a fork.
No,
But that's what
you're
I'm
not.
going to do. Because it's pretty big. That's a damn good cheesesteak. oldest residential street in America, 1703. There's still people who live there too. That's pretty cool. All right, so there was really only one reason to come to Philadelphia, and that was to go to Old Patty's Pub. Patty's Pub. Alright, so it's our second and last day in Philadelphia. We don't really have any plans for today.
We're just seeing all kinds of stuff.
We kind of do.
We're just gonna put it to work. So we decided Down Home Diner was so good, we decided to come back here and eat again. Their breakfast is fire. Sorry, everybody's kind of stuffing their faces, but it's pretty good. You gonna run up the stairs?
I ain't running up the steps.
I'll sing the song if you run up the stairs.
No. Let's sing the song, let Jeff run up the steps.
Yeah.
Nothing like
Alright, so we can't come to Philadelphia without going to see the Rocky Stairs. So I can't promise you I'm gonna run up those stairs, but we are gonna walk up them. Put your arms up. Did you run up the stairs?
Yeah, so bad.
Obviously, if you guys couldn't tell, we're getting ready to do a tour of Eastern State Penitentiary. I don't know if it's haunted or not, but this place definitely looks haunted. In the 1700s, before this prison was built, I guess they were just like putting people in stocks and whipping them and stuff. And then Benjamin Franklin said, that's not cool, we're better than that now. So they started to build this penitentiary to hold people in instead of just throwing everybody in the same cell together and letting them fight it out. So I would hate to have been in here. I don't know who's supposed to fit in these rooms, but they don't look big enough for guys like me. graph for the amount of prisoners in America, starting with 1900s, and it goes up to 2010. The red one in 1970 is when this prison closed. You can check it out, it's pretty crazy. See, we have a whole lot more people in prison now than we did when this prison closed in 1970.